So there's been 3 key breakthroughs. Number 1 is smarter attention, DSA. So when AI reads long documents, it slows down and gets expensive because it has to look at everything at once, right? And so what they've done is create a lightning indexer that quickly scans and picks only the most important parts to focus on. So it basically like skims through, it's like kind of like skimming through a book for the good bits instead of reading every word. And so even at a much lower context window, so for example, even at even when it's reading long documents, it's dramatically lower in terms of using the token. Also, it's got more training. So most AI companies do post-training, which is fine-tuning after the main training. It's a small afterthought. DeepSeek spent over 10% of their entire pre-training budget on post-training with reinforcement learning, right? They also shared specific techniques they use to make RL training stable at scale. And also the final one is synthetic AI training. So they created a pipeline like this, and then you can see that they basically, they've designed the special model to perform agentic capabilities, right? And then you see here, their special model actually hit gold medal performance at the 2025 International Maths Olympiad and International Olympiad in Informatics. So why is this interesting for you? Well, number 1, it's open source, so you can run it yourself or fine tune it and run it locally. Number 2, agent capabilities. So they have a synthetic training pipeline, which is basically designed to use tool use and improve tool use. Number 3, cost efficiency, because they're using that DSA, as we were talking about before, smarter attention method. That actually makes everything much more cost efficient. And then they've got the thinking, right, method, which calls multiple tool calls instead of starting fresh each time.